What's up, guys? It's me in the game. It's Bad Aim. And today we are unboxing something a little different. It is this digital microscope that I picked up off of Amazon for about I want to say $139, $150, somewhere around there. The MicSci, I don't know, MicSci digital microscope. So basically it's a microscope with digital frame and some lights on it. So 7-inch display and a stand. So let's have a look at this and see what's inside, shall we? Nope, no tape. Don't need that. Let's see, there's the manual. Foam thing protecting looks to be the actual microscope part with the optical piece or whatever you would call that, and it tilts, which is nice. I don't know what this is. Some kind of remote control that's micro USB. It's like a pan tilt thing or zoom in and out, I don't know. It looks like a record button there, picture, video, play button. Inside after that, we have got the base and some broken rubber band and micro USB cable for something. Guess that's for the computer. There's the base. Oh, there's the little connection ports at the back. The light brightness control and USB plug. And this is something. Okay, this is the stand with a nice little geared adjusting little thing to it. So there you go. See, you turn these suckers, and so you turn those, and the microscope would go up and down. So you set that in there, and it looks like it comes with some kind of calibration tool. So that's interesting. Let's put this thing together. So this looks like it just goes here. Twist that down a few times. As far as it'll go, I guess. Just like that. And then just got this little locking mechanism at the bottom. And overall, it seems okay. I mean, this is like machined out. It looks like aluminum. Got little rubber holder things. That's gonna be just a pressure fit for the optic piece, which is gonna be this, which I assume goes in something like that, just so that it ends up looking like that. Tighten that guy down, snug it up. Assuming you don't want it too tight so we don't bust through it. This thing turns, I guess that's the focus. What's this? I have no idea what this is. Let's see. number 19 says it's a retro reflector. So I guess let's take a look at this thing. Get this piece off, just like that, and this goes on. A little twist and it stays on. Alright, so these guys, obviously you want that pointing down like that. And on the back of the unit, this looks like batteries going here. Oh great, this is big honkin' proprietary thing, whatever. Get if we turn it on. Just peel this off. It works. Let's see, what am I looking at? Just here. Ooh, oh wow, that's pretty good. Oh, let's put some cool stuff under there. Apparently it comes with the card. Plugged in. Let's see here, just plugging this in the back. Some power. What's on? Oh, there you go. Ooh, super bright now. Neat. It's apparently recording. Yeah, try something here. I'm gonna take this Pokemon card and have a look underneath. And see what it happens. Ooh. How do I record this? Oh, there you go. Now we're recording. See if I can zoom in closer. How close can we get? That. There you go, look at that. We can like grade our own cards. Like crazy grade, let's see. Oh, look how close you can get. That is pretty neat. Can you get closer? That's about as close as I can get, I think, without touching it. And it is... That's pretty good. There you go. That's what the little evolve thing looks like when you crazy zoom into it. How do I stop the recording? I think I just push this again. Yep. So the record button is literally just pushing this and then push it again to stop. If you want to watch it, I think you just press that. There it is. Looks like it does it as an AVI file. Okay to play. It's recording in 720p. Well, that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed that video. That is the MicSci, maybe, digital microscope off of Amazon Canada. Please like and subscribe. We're gonna have some fun with this. I'm gonna put some other stuff under this microscope just to see what things look up real close.